Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to look at the Harbour View Plaza. This is another very popular plaza, very successful plaza because it follows a simple formula that we have. Here is the Shoppers Fair supermarket. Now you need three things for a successful plaza in Jamaica. You need a supermarket, a large brand name supermarket, or a large supermarket with nicely set up to draw in the crowd. You need to build the plaza in a populated area, and this plaza is in the area Harbour View, which has thousands of homes. You have a lot of communities on the outskirts, a very populated area. And then the third thing you need for a successful plaza is food stores. And this plaza has KFC in it, it has Tasty, it has Pizza Hut. So right away, you know you have the covered. So the plaza is actually being renovated now. You can see them building the gate. We just looked at it. And on the left is the stores. It's getting like a facelift. This plaza has been around for many years. From the Harborview drive-in used to operate, you have this plaza was around, so it's nice for it to get a facelift. You have to always be maintaining these things. As you can see, it has a lot of other stores. It's a very big plaza. Alright, this is just one side of the plaza. We're going to go and look at the other side now that has the food stores. Okay, so straight ahead where you see those stores, where you see that yellow forklift, on the other, okay, let's go over here. On the other side is more shops like this, and you can drive or you can walk across. And here where you see this white car, this is the walk-in entrance to the other side of the plaza. It's basically the same length, like it's the exact same thing like these stores. It's just that they are on the other side. And that's where you have the food stores like the KFC and the Tasty patties. It's okay, we're going to drive and look at the other side now. And when we say a large residential area, we're literally thousands of homes in this area. Okay, so this is where you would enter the other side now. And they also have a pharmacy here. Now, I'm hoping that when they finish renovating the actual stores, they will fix this road, because this is terrible. Now these roads, I assume it's the plaza that would have to fix, not the government. Okay, on the right is the KFC, on the left is the Tasty patties. And those are, well, KFC is the largest fast food restaurant chain in Jamaica, and Tasty is the largest patty operator in Jamaica. There's also a Pizza Hut here. And you can see the line. This line is for the KFC. And literally it is, I mean, KFC alone could draw in the crowd to make the plaza successful. Alright, we're just going to take a quick tour to show you some of the homes so you can see how large a residential community it is. Alright, so we turn right, we'd go back to the Harbour View roundabout, but we're going left and going into the residential area. They also have a football stadium down here. It's home to the Harborview Football Club. So on the left now is where we drive to enter this other part of the plaza. Alright, so we're going to turn right here and take a quick tour through. So this is a residential part. Hundreds of homes. And when you take into account all the neighborhoods around it, thousands of homes. They have so many, this residential area is so large, they have so many homes that they actually have a police station literally inside the community. But they converted one of the homes to a police station. Okay, coming up on the right is the Harbour View football field, or the stadium. And that's home to the Harbour View Football Club. So it's a very large community. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the tour of Harbour View. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.